Upgrading your phone shouldn't mean losing access to your Mint Mobile service, so let's get your service smoothly transferred to your new device. First, you'll need to prepare your old phone. Make sure it is fully charged and that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If you're using a physical SIM card, power off your old phone. If you're using an eSIM, locate the eSIM profile settings and choose to deactivate or delete the eSIM profile. This step is essential to prevent service conflicts on your new phone. Now, let's move to your new phone. If you're using a traditional SIM card, use the SIM ejector tool to open the SIM card tray on your new phone. Then insert the Mint Mobile SIM card. Make sure it's placed correctly according to your phone's instructions. If you're using an eSIM, you have to activate it. For the eSIM, you can either scan a QR code provided by Mint Mobile, or you can manually enter the information provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate the eSIM on your new phone. After activation, you may have to restart your phone and configure the cellular settings. Once the SIM card has been installed or the eSIM is activated, you may need to navigate to the cellular settings section on your phone and double-check the APN access point name settings. Mint Mobile's app settings are typically already pre-configured, but it is important to verify this, as the wrong APN can prevent you from accessing the internet. Lastly, perform a test call or access the internet to make sure that everything works properly, and just like that, you're all set to show off your new phone.